summarizing how much you have to study for each class by just making noise.
Is a limit. What does it do? So basically what this question is asking is, as x approaches 2, what does the y...